Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the phone and environment. Update iOS and make sure the battery is above 20% because night mode can use longer exposures. Mount the iPhone 15 on a tripod or steady surface. Once done, open the camera app in photo mode. The moon icon signals night mode. Don't waste time toggling through modes. Tap the moon to reveal the exposure time slider, because adjusting that slider is the only way to control how long the sensor collects light. Now focus on execution. Tap the moon icon and set the exposure slider to match the scene. Pick 1 second for dim rooms or up to 30 seconds for near-dark landscapes. Make sure to use a 3s or 10s timer or press the action button if configured to prevent any shake right when the shutter fires. Disable flash and live photo because they can stop night mode, and choose the rear wide lens for best low light performance. Hold steady until the progress ring finishes. Finish deliberately. Watch the progress ring and don't move the phone until it ends, then open the shot in photos to inspect details and noise. Edit the image to reduce noise and adjust exposure or highlights. These edits sharpen the result without repeating the capture. If night mode doesn't appear, make sure flash and live photo are off, restart the camera app or phone, and install any iOS updates. These steps resolve most issues quickly, so you can retake the perfect low-light photo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.